Now, I would also like to talk about immunity and how to improve the immunity in children. Immunity we get from our birth onwards. Once a child is born, child does not have any immunity. But soon after the child is born, child is given 3 vaccines. And then for the next 2 years, there are almost 50 vaccines that are given to the children. This helps to improve the immunity. But vaccination is not the only thing. In addition to vaccination, child should get mother's milk for the first 6 months of their life. And it should continue for the next 1 to 2 years. We should not give anything else other than the mother's milk, because the other food, if given in the first 6 months, it does not help in improving the immunity. So mother's milk and vaccinations, they are very important. In addition, once the child starts having other food, it's important that the food has enough proteins and good fats, which help to increase the white blood cells in the body, which are the main provider of the immunity. So that is one. Other way to improve the immunity is to see that all the vaccines that are there in the market, which are recommended by a doctor, are given. Whether it is the optional vaccines or the compulsory vaccines, it doesn't matter. All the vaccines need to be given. Obviously, the optional vaccines are a bit expensive, but if it is possible, we should give all the vaccines. Recently, there is a new vaccine that has come, which is for the human papilloma virus vaccine. So that is also for an infection, but the infection does not cause any problem in the child. It causes problem much later, after 30, 40, 50 years, when the child has grown up and they tend to get cervical cancer or other cancers in the males. So this is one vaccine which is very important. Another vaccine which I stress a lot is to get the influenza vaccine every year. The influenza vaccine is given up to 5 years every year. It is not given in government hospitals, but in private hospitals, we like all the children to take the influenza vaccine. And in children who are having chronic health problems like allergies, eczema, etc., we want them to take the vaccine every year lifelong. Thank you so much.